Hello world, this is Ranjeet Raula. I am super excited to welcome you all to my brand new YouTube channel. Over here, we're going to doing a lot of interesting things. But first, let me tell you a bit about myself. I was born and raised in a small city called Warangal in India. I have always been passionate starting my own business. My love of entrepreneurship has driven me to start this channel and share my journey with you. I have built a successful business in 5 years, learning the hard way. In this channel, I would be sharing the challenges I have encountered and providing you a guidance how to achieve your goals in less time. Here is what you can expect from this channel. How to start a business in the United States and grow a six-figure business, an in-depth discussion about tutorials about staffing, recruiting, and immigration, everything, including collaborating with the staffing professional, and fun experiments, challenges related tools we used for recruiting. My ultimate goal is to create and assist aspiring entrepreneurs who are looking to start or scale their staffing and recruiting business. So, if you are excited as I am and can't wait to start this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Also, let's connect on the Facebook group community where I will be sharing behind the scenes content, updates, and more. Don't forget to drop comment down the below and let me know what you are most excited to see on this channel. Thank you so much for dropping by, and I can't wait to embark on this existing journey with you all. Stay tuned and remember, recruiting dreams, building realities. We are in this together. Until next time, this is Ranjeet signing off. Thank you.